Welcome back to CabMaster. Today we're going to go through how to add materials as a material data source. So if you download a material library from our website from StoreMaster, once you add it in, you go to Drawing Properties, and if you go to Materials, for example, we want to use farmers doors, but they're not in here. I've just downloaded them, I've installed them, they're not in here yet. So what you do, My Setup, Material Data Sources, you've got these are the ones you've actually got active, so I'll say I want to check the next one, and I'm going to go find farmers. So I hit apply, OK, and it shows me the farmers is now there and it's running. Now if you do this in your library catalog manager or under File, Catalog Properties, it will actually save it as a default. So I'm just showing you in here for now, so it's in here. So we go into Job Setup, back to our materials. I can now choose farmers. Yes, I want to use this for edging as well, and I can choose farmers, the group, choose the material I want, and now that's ready for use. So thank you very much.